Have you ever woken up in the morning, staring at the ceiling, feeling like you're trapped in a life that's moving, but somehow you're not? Like everyone else is progressing, achieving, living fully, and you're stuck in this endless loop of same old, same old? You're not alone. Most people go through life on autopilot, believing that change is hard, that transformation is a distant dream, that real progress requires some huge, impossible leap. But here's the thing. What if I told you that it doesn't? What if I told you that the one change that could transform your entire day, your entire mindset, and your entire life is actually simple, small, and completely within your reach? Sounds unbelievable, right? But stay with me, because this is exactly what most people overlook, and why their lives never feel as full or as satisfying as they could. Think about your morning routine for a second. Do you hit snooze 3 times, scroll endlessly through your phone, get out of bed late, rush through breakfast, and arrive at work feeling exhausted before your day even truly begins? That feeling of being behind before the day has even started, that's what I'm talking about. That's where most people's problems start. It's not that they lack talent, or drive, or opportunity. It's that their habits, their mindset, and their daily choices are quietly sabotaging them. And it's not just mornings. It's every little action, every little decision, adding up over time to create this overwhelming sense of dissatisfaction, stress, and stagnation. Now, imagine the alternative. Imagine waking up tomorrow with a sense of clarity, focus, and energy that actually excites you. Imagine going through your day feeling in control, motivated, and present in every moment. Imagine finishing your day with a sense of accomplishment and peace, knowing you gave your best, that you moved closer to your goals, that you're not just existing, but truly living. That might sound like a fantasy right now, but here's the kicker. It doesn't have to be. The change I'm talking about isn't some giant life overhaul, some complicated formula, or some expensive program. It's one simple shift, one subtle adjustment that acts like a lever, moving every other part of your life into alignment. Most people ignore it, dismiss it, or underestimate its power. They think, I need to work harder, I need to grind more, I need to make a big, dramatic change. And while effort is important, here's what they miss. Effort without direction is wasted energy. You can push, struggle, and stress yourself into exhaustion. But if the core daily patterns that shape your mind and your life remain the same, nothing changes. This one adjustment I'm going to reveal is different. It's a foundational shift, the kind of change that quietly rewires your day-to-day habits, your energy, your focus, and even your mindset. And the beautiful part is that once you implement it, everything else becomes easier. Before I reveal it, I want you to pause for a moment and reflect on your own life. Are there areas where you feel stuck? Times when you think, I know I should be further along. I know I could be happier, more productive, more in control? Those thoughts are signals. They're your mind telling you that something needs to change, that your current routine and mindset aren't serving you. And that's okay. Awareness is the first step. Most people never get this far. They go day after day, week after week, year after year, just tolerating life instead of actively shaping it. But the fact that you're here, reading this, paying attention, already sets you apart. So, here's the promise. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what that one change is, why it works so effectively, and how to start implementing it today. No gimmicks, no fluff, just a simple, powerful shift that can redefine your daily experience. It's not just about being more productive. It's about feeling more alive, more in control, and more aligned with the person you truly want to become. That's the reason you clicked on this video. You're ready for something different, something better, something transformational. And let me tell you the truth most people don't realize. Change isn't about doing more. It's about doing differently. That's the secret. Small tweaks in the right direction compound into massive shifts over time. This is what separates people who feel trapped and exhausted from people who wake up energized, confident, and excited for the day ahead. So if you're ready to break free from the cycle of stress, distraction, and unfulfilled potential, stay with me. Because the journey starts with just one change, and it might be the easiest, most overlooked decision you've ever made. Have you ever wondered why, despite all the effort, some people just seem to get ahead while others stay stuck, spinning their wheels? It's not always about talent, luck, or opportunity. The truth is, Most people fail quietly, in ways that aren't obvious at first glance. They fail not because they lack ambition, but because they unknowingly follow patterns that work against them every single day. You see, the world doesn't make it easy to change. From the moment we wake up to the moment we sleep, we're bombarded with distractions, conditioned to seek comfort, and programmed to avoid discomfort, even when that discomfort is the very thing that could transform our lives. Let's break it down. Most people operate on autopilot. They follow routines that feel safe but don't serve them. They chase instant gratification because the brain is wired to prefer short-term pleasure over long-term gains. That scroll through social media, that extra hour of TV, that snooze button pressed one too many times, each small decision seems harmless, but over time, they add up. And here's the kicker. While these habits provide temporary comfort, they silently erode motivation, focus, and clarity. Before you know it, months and years pass, and life feels like it's slipping through your fingers. That slow, almost invisible slide is the hidden reason most people fail to change. Now, let's talk about fear, the invisible hand that keeps people trapped. Not the dramatic, obvious fear of failure that you might think of, but the subtle, everyday fear that whispers, "What if I can't do it? What if I fail again? What if I feel uncomfortable?" That fear keeps people in routines that feel safe, even when those routines are slowly suffocating their potential. They avoid taking the steps that could actually improve their life because stepping into growth feels uncertain, awkward, or risky. And while some people push through this fear, most quietly surrender, convincing themselves that real change is too hard, too complicated, or simply not meant for them. Let's layer in another factor: misinformation. Everywhere you look, people are giving advice, sharing hacks, and promising quick results. Change your life in 30 days, the secret routine that billionaires follow, do this one thing and succeed instantly. And yet, for the vast majority, these tactics fail. Why? Because they focus on superficial fixes, not the foundational shift that actually creates lasting impact. People try to implement dramatic routines, complicated schedules, or extreme habits, only to quit within days or weeks. The result? Disappointment, frustration, and the belief that change is impossible. And that, my friend, is the silent trap most people fall into, thinking that if it doesn't happen instantly, it's not worth pursuing. But here's the contrast you need to understand. Some people, seemingly ordinary, manage to break free from this trap. They don't rely on dramatic overhauls or complicated strategies. They succeed because they identify the core pattern that drives daily life and shift it in a simple, consistent way. That small pivot becomes a lever for everything else. Energy, focus, clarity, motivation, all of these improve naturally, without forcing it. And that, in essence, is what separates the people who get stuck from the people who thrive. It's not talent, luck, or discipline alone. It's knowing where to focus your energy and which tiny change actually moves the needle. I want you to take a moment and reflect on your own life. Where are you stuck? Where do you feel like you're spinning your wheels, putting in effort but not seeing results? That's where the invisible traps are hiding. Most people never take the time to identify these traps. They blame circumstances, blame other people, blame the world. But the truth is, it's rarely about external factors. It's about daily patterns, mindset, and the decisions that seem small but compound over time. So, here's a key takeaway before we move forward. The reason most people fail is not because they're incapable or lazy. It's because they're fighting the wrong battle. They focus on surface-level fixes instead of addressing the underlying pattern that actually controls their day, their habits, and ultimately their life. And this is where most videos, most self-help guides, and most advice fall short. They give you tips that are either too complex or too generic. They never reveal the one simple change that quietly bypasses all these obstacles and creates a real, lasting shift. By understanding why people fail, you're already one step ahead. Awareness is the first step toward mastery. And now, having seen the patterns that hold most people back, you're ready to discover the change that makes everything easier, more natural, and more powerful. That change is coming next. And once you see it, the contrast between life before and life after will be crystal clear. So, here's a moment you've been waiting for, the one change that can transform your daily life. It's not complicated. It's not expensive. It doesn't require a drastic overhaul or an unrealistic schedule. Yet, for most people, it's overlooked. What is it? It's the simple act of structuring your day around intentional focus, prioritizing one key habit or action that shapes the tone of everything else. Think of it as the keystone habit, a single adjustment that creates ripple effects in energy, productivity, mindset, and emotional balance. Once you adopt it, the other areas of life start aligning almost naturally. Let's make it concrete. Imagine starting a morning with a deliberate 15 to 20 minutes focused on something that truly matters. It could be planning your day, journaling your thoughts, meditating, exercising, or even reviewing your most important goals. Not scrolling through your phone, not checking emails, not reacting to notifications, but intentionally setting the tone for your day. That small window of focus, repeated consistently, acts as a foundation for clarity and energy that carries through every decision you make. Over time, this builds momentum. Tasks that once felt daunting feel manageable. Stress melts into confidence. Energy that was scattered suddenly feels concentrated. Here's why it works. Our brains are wired to follow patterns. Habits are essentially neurological pathways. When you create a small, repeatable habit that aligns with your priorities, you're training your brain to operate in a focused and intentional way. The magic is that this one habit doesn't just affect the moment you do it. It influences your mood, your decision-making, and your productivity all day. It's like planting a seed that grows silently, shaping your mindset and actions without you having to force every little step. Let me illustrate with a story. Sarah, a client I worked with, was constantly overwhelmed. Her mornings were chaotic, rushing through emails, skipping breakfast, and dragging herself to work exhausted. She tried multiple productivity hacks, but nothing stuck. When we introduced the single habit of a 15-minute morning journaling session, everything changed. At first, it felt strange, almost unnecessary. But within a week, she noticed her focus improving. She made better decisions at work, handled stress calmly, and even found pockets of time for herself that she had never realized existed. That small, consistent habit became the lever that shifted her entire day, and ultimately, her mindset. Another example comes from physical activity. Many people know exercise is good, but they struggle to maintain consistency. The key isn't running an hour every day, it's picking a manageable daily habit, like a 10-minute movement session first thing in the morning, and committing to it. The physical boost, combined with a sense of accomplishment early in the day, improves energy, confidence, and clarity. And because it's consistent, it becomes automatic. Before long, they start making healthier choices in eating, working, and even relationships. One small habit, one intentional focus, transforms the broader canvas of life. And this is the beauty of the transformative change I'm talking about. It's not overwhelming, it doesn't require perfection, and it's completely within your control. Most people get stuck trying to overhaul every part of their life at once, which is why they fail. But the Keystone Habit strategy focuses on impact over effort, on small but consistent action, on building momentum that compounds invisibly over time. The power is in the simplicity. Now, here's how to implement it in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Identify the keystone habit that will shape your day. Step 2. Commit to a short, consistent window where you perform it intentionally, without distractions. Step 3. Reflect at the end of the day on how it influenced your focus, energy, and decision-making. That's it. The execution is straightforward, but the results are profound. Small, consistent action creates massive ripple effects that touch every area of your life: productivity, mental clarity, emotional balance, and even your relationships. Once you start seeing the change, it's impossible to ignore. Your days begin to feel purposeful. Your energy is more controlled. You make decisions with confidence rather than reaction. And the best part? You don't need to overhaul your entire life to see these benefits. One small, intentional habit is enough to start a chain reaction that transforms the rhythm of your daily existence. Imagine waking up tomorrow, but this time, everything feels different. You open your eyes and instead of groaning at the thought of the day ahead, you feel clarity, energy, and focus flowing through you. Your mind isn't clouded with endless to-dos or distractions. Instead, you feel intentional from the very first moment. Every step, Every decision, every action feels aligned with what truly matters. You notice that even the small tasks that used to drain you now feel manageable because your energy and mindset are focused, steady, and intentional. This is the power of adopting one small, transformative change, a single habit that quietly reshapes the entire rhythm of your life. Think about how this change ripples across your day. At work, you are more productive, more focused, and more strategic. You accomplish tasks efficiently without feeling exhausted, making progress without sacrificing your energy. You no longer get caught in reactive patterns or meaningless distractions. Instead, you operate with intention, and your days begin to feel meaningful rather than overwhelming. In your personal life, relationships improve because your mental and emotional capacity is higher. You can listen deeply, respond thoughtfully, and connect with the people you care about without feeling drained or distracted. The difference is subtle at first, but over time, it becomes undeniable. People around you notice the shift, your energy, your clarity, your presence. Emotionally, the impact is just as profound. Anxiety and stress no longer dominate your mind. Self-doubt and hesitation lose their power. Instead, you feel confident, resilient, and capable. You approach challenges with a calm, solution-oriented mindset. Small wins throughout the day compound into a larger sense of accomplishment. Each completed task, each intentional choice, reinforces your belief that you are in control, that you can handle life with clarity and ease. Over time, these daily actions create momentum, and that momentum transforms not just your day, but your entire approach to life. The beauty of this change is its simplicity. It doesn't require radical life overhauls, expensive programs, or unrealistic routines. It requires consistency and focus on one keystone habit, a small, intentional action that shapes the tone of your day. By committing to this habit, everything else falls into place. Energy, focus, productivity, emotional balance, all improve naturally. You are no longer fighting against your own patterns, you are intentionally directing them. Life stops feeling like a series of random events and starts feeling like a coherent journey where you are in the driver's seat. Let me give you a concrete picture. Sarah, someone I worked with, struggled with chaos in her mornings and exhaustion by mid-afternoon. She started a simple, 15-minute morning habit of focused journaling and planning. Initially, it seemed insignificant, almost too small to matter. But within weeks, her energy improved, her focus sharpened, and her stress decreased. Her work performance improved, her interactions became more meaningful, and she felt a renewed sense of purpose. This one change acted as a lever, subtly transforming her life without any drastic effort. Now imagine yourself experiencing that same transformation. You wake up energized, your mind clear, your decisions intentional. You feel capable and confident, handling challenges with calm and clarity. Your relationships, work, and personal growth all benefit because your foundational habit supports everything else. This is not a dream. It is attainable, and it starts with one deliberate choice. Small, consistent steps today compound into a life that is intentional, empowered, and deeply fulfilling tomorrow. The power is in your hands. The moment to act is now.